Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Shortcuts and granting access to photos and files so the shortcut can read and save content. Once done, create or import a Make PDF workflow and add the native Make PDF action. This converts input into a PDF. Then make sure the shortcut is enabled for the share sheet so you can run it from Safari, Mail, or Photos. This gets you immediately into converting content without extra setup and lets you test with a single page right away. Next, you configure how the PDF is made and why those settings matter. Change page size and orientation to match the original content so text wraps correctly, and set margins to avoid cropped edges when printing. If you expect multiple images or pages, add combined PDFs and Quick Look so you can reorder or preview. This prevents misplaced pages. Finally, append a save file or share action to choose where the PDF goes. Doing this now ensures a consistent destination. To finish, run the shortcut from the app or share sheet, then use Quick Look to confirm layout and rename the file before saving to Files or sharing via mail. Make sure to tap Done after saving so metadata updates correctly. If the share sheet option doesn't appear, check Shortcut's privacy permissions and enable share sheet support. If issues persist, restart the Shortcuts app or reinstall the shortcut. This fixes most problems and gets you reliable PDF exports every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.